the health benefits of tapioca. Tapioca is a savory starch extract derived from the cassava plant and is used as a sweet candy or snack. It has gained popularity as a gluten-free food and is often used as a thickening agent instead of wheat-based fillers. The tapioca flesh is white and high in carbohydrates. However, it should only be consumed after cooking. Tapioca is rich in vitamins K, calcium, and iron, all of which are important for the protection and development of bones. The iron present in tapioca increases red blood cells in the body and prevents anemia. Tapioca contains complex vitamins, which reduce the chances of neural tube defects in infants. The abundance of dietary fibers in tapioca improves digestion, reduces bloating, and intestinal pain. Tapioca has high levels of potassium, which reduces stress and tension in blood vessels and arteries. Due to the presence of carbohydrates, consumption of tapioca increases energy levels and helps avoid snacking between meals. The vitamin K found in tapioca can also reduce the chance of developing Alzheimer's disease. Consumption of tapioca can effectively add calories to your diet for healthy weight gain. Tapioca can be consumed by making tapioca pudding and also by adding tapioca balls in bubble teas. A favorite of many vegetarians, tapioca comes in many culinary forms, including dried flakes, sticks, and pearls. It is important to remember that tapioca can be poisonous if not cooked properly, as it can produce cyanide. Tapioca can be an excellent addition to your diet, but it is essential that you are wary of the poisonous compounds present in it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you like our video. Subscribe and click on the bell icon on the YouTube app to be the first to watch new videos on organic facts.